What does it mean when someone is on your mind all the time? When someone's constantly on your mind, it's usually because you have either grown strong positive or negative feelings for them. Every reason comes back to that. You either like them or hate them. Let me explain it to you in detail so you truly know what you are going through. Number 1. You are attracted to them or you are already in love with them. Let's be honest. If you can't stop thinking about someone, it's usually because you are head over heels for that person, or at least you are getting there. Your attraction for them is growing and you can feel it. There hasn't been a day lately when you haven't thought about them. Even though you are trying to stop those thoughts the best way you can. You have tried distracting yourself, focusing on a hobby, or spending time surrounded by people. But no matter what you do, the image of that someone doesn't seem to leave your mind. Maybe you had no intention of falling in love with anyone at this time. Or perhaps that person is completely different from everything you look for in a potential partner. Because of that, you may be suppressing your feelings and trying to avoid reality, but your mind doesn't let you do that. Instead, it flashes thoughts about that special someone over and over again until you look the truth in the eyes. You cannot get them out of your head. It's obvious that you have been thinking about this person because you are growing more attracted to them. You could already be in love with them. Your feelings know that, but you are trying to dismiss them, thinking they will go away. But now that you are aware of the reality of the situation, you can make a move. Number 2, you are trying to figure out who they actually are and what they feel for you. Maybe you like this person, but you have no idea why they are different. But there's something about them that pulls you in every time you see them. Because of that, you haven't been able to get them out of your mind. Beside the fact that you are trying to figure out what attracted you to them, you also want to find out how they feel about you. Are these feelings mutual, and is there a chance that the two of you could make things work? At the same time, you are probably afraid of your feelings. You don't want to admit to yourself why you can't keep what special someone out of your mind. It's too scary to accept the truth because things start to look too complicated. Again, you have been avoiding your own feelings and trying to suppress them, but you can't keep doing that forever. At some point, you won't be able to hide things anymore, now that I have helped. You see that truth behind your thoughts, you can do something about it. Make a move and get yourself into a better position, one who with this Passion will be in your arms and not just in your thoughts.